This is the MasterChef Challenge conducted as a special event of the 7th Food and Beverage and Hospitality Expo 2019 at Bhrikuti Mandap, Kathmandu, which was organized by the House of RAJKARNIKAR and managed by Pacific Hospitality and Culinary Academy. I would like to request the judges to please take their seats.
Namaste, मेरो नाम डायमन्ड गुरुङ र म चाहिँ यहाँ सेफ कम्पिटिसनमा आइरहेको छु। म एकदम एक्साइटेड छु सोको लागि।
The time has started. The MasterChef Challenge was open to cooks and culinary students within Kathmandu and was a 3-day event that was conducted from the 8th November to 10th November 2019. Every day was as exciting and enriching as an experience for the contestants. The 3-day event saw a very diverse panel of judges, each day coming together to provide constructive feedback to the contestants and discover ultimate champion for MasterChef 2019. There were 3 different phases in the competition. The first day, the contestants had to go through screening and selection. For this, the contestants were first given 30 seconds to observe and take a spoonful of taste from the dish, seafood bolognese, and then list down the ingredients used in the preparation of the soup within 3 minutes. 10 contestants with the maximum number of right ingredients moved to the semi-finals.
त्यसमा बेसिकली सबै सीफुडहरु थियो भित्र बेसिकली बेस चाहिँ टमेटोबाट बनेको जस्तो लाग्यो त्यहाँबाट स्क्विड थियो त्यहाँबाट श्रिम्प थियो स्केलप थियो मसेल थियो अनि सालमन जस्तो लाग्यो भित्र त्यहाँबाट आएर तपाईको सल्ट पेपर हालिहाल्छ स्टक थियो सीफुड स्टक त्यहाँबाट बटर भयो हजुर
Are we all happy with the results? The semi-finals was organized at Pacific Hospitality and Culinary Academy, Setupul Maiti Devi. The contestants were provided a mystery box with a set of ingredients ready on their designated stations. The box also had a secret ingredient, which was shiitake mushroom, which had to be first identified by the contestant with the help of a clue in order to start the competition, or they had to hold positions for 15 minutes. The time limit for the whole challenge was 1 hour and 30 minutes, and the judges would evaluate the contestants' performance based on portion size, temperature, nutritional and flavor balance, food presentation, knowledge, bench work, uniform, hygiene, timing, innovative use of the secret ingredient, and cleaning stations after the tasting. The contestants were scored on the overall value of 10 for each criterion. Upon careful evaluation by the judges, 6 finalists moved forward to the finale.
मिट खाँदाखेरि जुन त कार्बोहाइड्रेट प्रोटिन जो रफेजेसहरु जुन हुन्छ नि भिटामिन्स त्यो सबै कम्बिनेसन गरेर खाँदाखेरि चाहिँ इट हैज टु ब्रस्ट इन योर माउथ
मैले चाहिँ हिजो चाहिँ सताके मसरुम इन्फ्युज चिकन लेग बनाएको थिएँ हैन अनि त्यसमा चाहिँ अलिकति कन्फी गरेर प्यान फ्राइड गरेर अनि र भेजिटेबल्सहरु पनि प्यान फ्राइड गरेर चाहिँ मैले बनाएको थिएँ र हिजो त्यो डिश राम्रै फिडब्याक पाएँ र आज म यहाँ फाइनलमा छु
The finale was organized at Bhrikuti Mandap. The 6 finalists had to draw out a note from a container that had the name of a soup they had to prepare. The time limit for the whole challenge was 1 hour, and the judges had to tally the scores which were given based on portion size, temperature, nutritional and flavor balance, food presentation, knowledge, bench work, uniform, hygiene, timing, and cleaning stations after the tasting. Following the tasting, the judges had names of 3 contestants. Mr. Rupesh Basnet from Pacific Hospitality and Culinary Academy was announced as the second runner-up in the challenge, whereas there was a tie for the first and second positions. The 2 contestants were given 5 minutes to observe the ingredients available and then come up with another soup within 20 minutes. Finally, the judges voted unanimously, and we had Mr. Govinda Kumarsina from Hotel Shambhala as the first runner-up and Mr. Suman BK from Vivanta as the winner of the MasterChef Challenge 2019. The winners received certification and gift hampers from the title sponsor of the event, Century Masala, Dugur Spices and Food Products Private Limited, an associate sponsor, Khuriwala Mart, and a token of love from Pacific Hospitality and Culinary Academy.